Hi, I'm Carter, owner of K-Guard Gutters, and I'm here to talk to you about add-on covers that go over your existing gutters versus K-Guard gutters. So this is a typical cover. Covers go over the top of your existing gutters. That comes with a couple downfalls. One of it is the way that they mount it. So what they do is they actually peel back the shingles of your roof and they nail it down to the roof. The problem with that is it voids the warranty on your roof. Owens Corning mentions in their roof warranty that if you puncture it, it voids the warranty. So what's the point of having a 40-year roof if you puncture it after 3 years? If you ever got water in your house, you would call your roofer and say, hey, what's the deal? Roofer's gonna come out and say, not my problem, they punctured it, you're out of luck. With K-Guard gutters, it's a full system. We attach to the fascia board. That makes it so that we don't attach to the roof and shingles, voiding that roof warranty. Another downfall of covers is in the wintertime. So I'm sure you guys are familiar that water over a bridge is more likely to freeze than the rest of the road because air goes under the bridge and cools the bridge. Well, the same thing happens with metal covers. So in the wintertime, water's gonna run down your roof, hits this cover and it freezes. Well, guess what? Your shingles are on top of it, right? It's gonna peel that back and all of a sudden water's gonna be getting under that roof. With K-Guard gutters, it doesn't attach to the shingles. We also have a rear drainage channel in the back that allows for the melted ice and snow to drain into the gutter versus building up. Covers often come in boxes that are usually 6 to 8 foot sections and they'll actually piece it together. The downfall of that is certain sections will blow off in the wind, whereas with K-Guard gutters, it's completely made seamless on site to custom fit your house and it's going to be attached down by their end caps so you never have to worry about it blowing off. And finally, when they install it, you're often dealing with subcontractors. And since every roof is different, they're going to be dealing with different pitch roofs. And when I say pitch, that means the steepness of the roof. So what they have to do is they have to take a break and they have to bend this to make sure that it's at the perfect angle so that water's able to heat around. Well, subcontractors aren't installing this every day. So every once in a while they don't get it right and that causes water to overshoot or create problems. With K-Guard gutters, you don't have to worry about subcontractors. All of our guys are employed by us. On top of that, we don't attach to the roof or shingles, so you don't have to worry about us taking a break and having to bend it on site. Ours is custom made on site and it fits perfectly into the brackets every single time. So with covers, they're giving you a lifetime warranty on just the cover. They're putting it over the top of your existing gutters though. They're not putting a warranty on that. So let's say your gutters are undersized, or they're pitched improperly, or they're leaking. None of that is under warranty. With K-Guard gutters, we warranty everything because we're a complete system. We come with a lifetime no clog warranty, lifetime no pull away or fall off warranty, and a lifetime paint and finish warranty that's all transferable to the new homeowner if you ever decide to sell your house. Thanks for tuning in with me today. I'm Carter with K-Guard Gutters. Give us a call today for a free estimate.